Hi guys, this is Inaya. Inaya, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Inaya is 9 months old now. She was born last year in November. She crawls a lot and she even walks. She holds onto things and walks, and she loves playing games. I just wanted to introduce her to you guys. She is like the cutest baby ever. Also, she is happy and calm at all times, except when she is really irritated and not well. Isn't she like the cutest baby ever? I know she is. She's, just like her mom.
Mommy.
So that is it, guys. That was Inaya's introduction, and now let's jump into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a few baby essentials. These products are really essential if you have a baby that's older than 6 months. These products have been really helpful for me. They've helped me stay sane as a new mom, and has helped my mom life become a lot easier. So that is why I feel all these products are really necessary. These are not the nice to have products. These are the essentials. So I think you must have these products. Some might not be a necessary for you guys, but they have, it has really helped me in a lot of ways. So that is why I have included all of these. I haven't included the very basic products like diapers, blankets, towels, toiletries and all of that, because I think a lot of people know that they have to buy. So these are the products that usually people don't remember that they need for the baby, and that is why I've made a video on all of these products. And I haven't included the medicine and breastfeeding essentials, and this would be a really long video, and I know it's going to bore you guys. So I'm going to make a separate video on breastfeeding essentials and on the medical essentials. So stay tuned for that. Also, I feel like this is going to be a really long video. I'll try and make it as short as possible. So without too much but let's jump straight into the video. The first product is going to be a cot, a bassinet, or any item that you need your baby to sleep in. What I did was I got a pram that also served as a rocker, and I let Inaya sleep in that for around 6 to 7 months. Even now she sleeps in that because she's very petite and she fits in that. So that is why I don't let her sleep in the night, but during the morning when she takes a nap, sometimes I let her sleep in that. She's 9 months and still fits. So in the initial 6 to 7 months a pram will do. It's better you can take the baby outside in the pram as well, and also let them sleep in that. It also has the rocker facility, and that is why she loves sleeping in that. I haven't got a cot yet, but if you are not ready to get a cot right away when your baby is born, then you can go for a pram instead. The next product I have here is like a must have if you have a really tiny baby, and even if you don't have a tiny baby, I think this will come in really handy. It's this sleeping bag. This is how it looks. It is very soft, and in the initial few months, like around 3 to 4 months, Inaya used to sleep in this. Since she was born in November and it's really cold in Pune, I used to swaddle her and put her in this bag, and she used to be really nice and warm and used to sleep for long hours. That is why I would highly suggest you guys buy the sleeping bag. She still fits in this, but she cannot stretch and roll. Now that she's moving a lot, she doesn't find this comfortable. So I put this in her pram when she sleeps, so that it's more comfortable for her when she sleeps in the pram, if you guys understand it. So I feel a sleeping bag is really necessary. Another very important product I have here are a few swaddles. They come in a lot of varieties. There's this one that comes with a hoodie. This is nice when you are taking your baby out in the initial 3 to 4 months. You need to wrap them well. Swaddles like these will come in handy. Another swaddle that I have are these that I got from the brand Mini Club. these are nice and stretchy swaddles, so you can nicely stretch and swaddle your baby really tightly, so that they're going to stay cozy inside the swaddle. They'll feel they're not used to this environment when they come out. So in the first 3 months, when they stay nice and cozy, that's when they sleep a lot. So I would suggest getting these swaddles. Also, if you live in a warmer region, I would suggest you get these muslin swaddles. I also got a pack of 3. I got this from First Cry. I think it's from the brand Abracadabra. I'm not too sure. But they came in a pack of 4. They came in a pack of 4. But these are little small in size. I couldn't swaddle her for long. I could swaddle her for just a month or a couple of months, I guess, and then she grew out of it. So make sure you check the sizes before you buy the muslin one, because they don't stretch unlike the other products. Another product I have here are these rompers. This is how they look. I put Inaya in rompers until she was like around 4 months, and only after then I started experimenting with clothes. I think babies that are older than they are younger than 6 months don't need a lot of fancy clothes. I think they need to be really comfortable in what they wear, or else they're going to be really fussy and irritated and will cry a lot. So that is why I always preferred wearing these rompers instead of any other fancy clothes. I made her wear a frock twice during some wedding, and she was crying a lot, so I had to remove it midway in the car. And when I changed and put her in these rompers, she stopped crying. So that is why I feel that rompers are the only clothes that you are going to need in the first 6 months. Also, these have foot. So if you again live in a colder region, then this will be really nice. I also have these from Carter. This is a different material. They're really soft and nice again. Also, make sure you buy the button down rompers or the zip rompers, not the one that you have to wear from the head, because babies' necks are like really fragile, and that is why that would not be the best item of clothing for your the next product I have here is very, very important when you have a newborn, and a lot of people forget about this. Even I did not use it in the initial stages, which I think was really wrong. Is this insect roll-on, anti-insect fabric roll-on. The one I have right now is from Mother's Splash. This is really nice. Earlier I used to use the Goodnight one, but that was really strong. मतलब ऐसे मच्छर क्या इंसान भी पास नहीं जाएगा type strong. So that is why that was really strong and it irritated Inaya. So that is why I switched to these, and this is like really nice. You can use this on a newborn baby, like not directly on the baby, but somewhere on the pram or the sleeping bag or somewhere, and it will keep all the insects at bay. Another product that I have here is this insect repellent spray. You can spray this directly on the baby, but this can be used for babies only that are 3 months older than 3 months. So if your baby is older than 3 months, I would suggest getting this. Just spray it on the exposed part, and your babies will not get bitten by all of these insects. So these are like a must have. The next product I have here has saved me so much stress and anxiety in the first 3 to 4 months. Being a new mom, you're already so overwhelmed. You're so overwhelmed with emotions. The last thing you want on this earth is your baby to cry. And Inaya was a really colicky baby, so she used to cry a lot. So I got these pacifiers. This is how it looks. This is from the brand Philips. The Philips Avent pacifier. These are like really nice. Also, giving a pacifier to the baby is like really a controversial topic. A lot of people say that you shouldn't give your baby a pacifier because it's very difficult to wean them off of the pacifier. But that wasn't the case with Inaya. She took a pacifier for around 4 months or something, I guess 4 to 5 months, and then she stopped taking the pacifier, so I didn't have to wean her off the pacifier. But during those times when I did everything on earth to calm her down, but still she used to cry a lot due to the colic pain or something. That's when I gave her these pacifiers. Also, I used to give her when I wanted to change diapers or change her clothes and all of this. I did not give her the pacifiers 24/7 because that's when I think babies get addicted to it. If you use it in the right way, your baby will not get addicted. A product that's really important for your baby is a play mat. I don't have it with me right now. I left it in Bombay, but Inaya loves playing in that. I got it for her when she was around 2.5 months, and she started playing right away. I will insert a few clips of her playing in the play mat. Also, it is very necessary, for you to buy toys and let your baby engage in all of these from a very young age. It will help develop their motor skills and help their natural development. So that is why I think playmat is really necessary. It has all these bright colors and all of these sound that will
really engage the baby.
your baby is going to enjoy playing in the playmat, and it will keep them engaged for a good 45 minutes to an hour. So that is why playmat is really essential. The next product I have here is again a must have for parents, and it is these baby wipes. The one I have here again is from Mother's Sparsh. I've used a lot of baby wipes, but these one has they are really nice. They don't have a lot of fragrance. They are very soft. Also, they are 100% biodegradable. This video is not sponsored by Mother's Sparsh in any way, but I'm loving all the products that I got from the brand. It is a plant-based, 100% plant-based a brand, so they use all clean ingredients. So that is why I really like all of their products, and also they do not add a lot of fragrance, and these products are all free from parabens, alcohols and all of that. So that is why I like this. If you guys want a good baby wipe, I would highly suggest getting these. These are 98% pure water, so they do not have a lot of other ingredients like the other wipes. I've tried a lot of other wipes. I don't like the Himalaya one at all, and not even the Johnson's one. The only wipes that I prefer after these are the Chico wipes. They're also really great quality, but if you want the best quality, then I would suggest going for the Mother's Sparsh ones. Another product that is very very essential are these changing mats. The one I have is from Baby Hug. So this is the Baby Hug Smart Dry mat. It has one side that is really velvety soft, and the other side is plasticky. So when I'm changing Inaya's diapers, I really prefer the plasticky side, because if she pees, then it's easier to clean. But if I'm just laying her down, then I prefer to lay her down on this softer side, so that it's really comfortable. So if you are looking for a changing mat, then I would suggest this one from Baby Hug. Another product that I highly recommend having is a bath seat. I just got the seat and not the tub, because I think I'll buy the tub now, that because Inaya is older now and she can sit and play. But in the earlier stages, until 6 months, you do not need a bathtub. All you need is a bath seat. Babies lay down very calmly in this, and then it is easier for us to give them a bath. So that is why this is again a very very essential product. Another product that is very very essential is this diaper bag. The one that I have is from the brand R for Rabbit. I think I got it from Amazon. You can get it from FirstCry. There are a lot of brands, but this one particularly has a lot of compartments inside. It also has an insulated compartment that will help your the formula milk stay nice and warm and all of that. So that is why I like this. This is like really spacious and holds a lot of stuff. So if you are going for a week to 10 days travel, then this will suffice to keep all your baby items. So that is why I like this bag a lot, and I would highly recommend all of the new moms to get this one. Another product that I think is again very essential is this nail clipper. The one I have is from Mimi. I hope you guys can see it. It is just a basic nail clipper that has a magnifying side, so that it's easier for you to cut, but I never really use it. Nail clippers are really essential because babies' nails grow very fast. They grow in like 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, maybe in like around 10 days. So you need to keep chipping them so that they don't scratch themselves and hurt themselves. So that is why nail clipper is really essential. The next thing that I recommend you guys to have as new moms is this baby sleep app. This is an app that I discovered when Inaya was crying a lot, and then I just went to the Play Store, and then I found out this app that has a lot of sounds. It has a few white noises as well, and a lot of different household sounds if you just want to engage your baby sometimes. But mainly it has a few lullabies that help your baby sleep. Like when I lay Inaya down and play the lullaby right next to her, it is going to help her sleep. I play it in the speaker, not on the phone directly. So I would highly suggest all of you new moms to download this app, because it is going to be really easy for you to put your baby to sleep. The last product that I have here, which again I feel a lot of people miss out on, is this baby laundry detergent and a fabric softener. The fabric softener that I use right now is by Comfort, and this is by far the best fabric softener. I've used the Chico one, but that didn't do anything really, and it also had a very strong talc fragrance that wasn't very pleasant. So that is why I switched to the Comfort one, and this one is really great. Also, the baby detergent that I use is from Pigeon. There are a lot of great brands. The Pigeon one is also really nice. I think the Mimi one also has great reviews. So if you guys want the Mimi one, you all can go for that. But anyway, my point is, laundry detergent is very essential. At least for the first 3 months, you have to wash your baby clothes separately and use these laundry detergents only, because if you use usual powdered detergents, it's going to irritate your baby's skin and cause rashes and all of that. So that is why, to avoid all of that, you can use these. So that is it, guys. Those are all the essentials that really help make my life a lot easier with a baby. So if you guys find this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys know all of this already, right? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.